Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2653, specifically refers to an issue with the rocker arm oil control solenoid B on bank 1 within the Honda Odyssey models ranging from 2011 to 2017. This error indicates that the solenoid circuit is experiencing low voltage, which can severely affect engine performance. The rocker arm oil control solenoid is responsible for managing the engine's variable valve timing, VVT system, enabling optimal performance under different driving conditions. A malfunctioning solenoid can lead to improper oil flow to the rocker arms, possibly causing engine misfires or reduced power. This component is typically located near the cylinder head and is connected to the powertrain control module, PCM, via a wiring harness. Effective troubleshooting is crucial to restore proper function and maintain performance levels. The DTC P2653 error primarily involves the rocker arm oil control solenoid B, bank 1, which plays a critical role in adjusting the variable valve timing, VVT system. The VVT system is essential for optimizing engine timing and performance based on driving conditions. The solenoid is located in proximity to the engine's cylinder head, where it manages oil flow to the rocker arms. In particular, this solenoid allows for the toggling of valve lift, which is crucial for power delivery and fuel efficiency. A low-voltage circuit associated with this solenoid can lead to poor engine performance, as it may fail to operate correctly under varying loads. Furthermore, continued operation with this code could trigger further engine issues due to inadequate oil control. Several underlying issues can trigger DTC P2653, beginning with a faulty rocker arm oil control solenoid B. If the solenoid itself is defective, it may not function correctly, leading to low voltage readings in the circuit. Next, wiring issues can also contribute to this problem, especially if there are damaged wires or poor connections in the harness leading to the solenoid. It's also essential to consider potential sensor ground problems, which may affect the integrity of the signals set to the powertrain control module, PCM. A thorough examination of each of these areas is necessary to ensure proper functioning of the VVT system. Each of these causes needs to be systematically evaluated during the troubleshooting process. When a vehicle triggers DTC P2653, several symptoms may manifest. The most noticeable indicator is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to an ongoing issue. As the rocker arm oil control solenoid B is vital for optimal engine performance, failing to operate can lead to reduced power output, especially during acceleration. Drivers might also observe poor fuel economy, as the engine is unable to adjust valve timing effectively. Engine misfires or rough idling may also occur, particularly under stressful driving conditions, which can further aggravate performance shortcomings. These symptoms together highlight the importance of timely diagnosis and repair to restore vehicle efficiency. The initial step in troubleshooting DTC P2653 involves turning the ignition switch to the on position, denoted as position 2, without starting the engine. Following this, it's important to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Code using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which is a comprehensive tool designed for Honda vehicles. After clearing the code, navigate to the VTEC test within the inspection menu on the HDS. This menu allows technicians to activate diagnostic functions specifically related to engine parameters and solenoid controls. Performing this initial step lays the groundwork for verifying if the issue persists. Recording any freeze data and onboard snapshots prior to clearing the DTC can also provide additional context for the situation at hand. After successfully navigating to the VTEC test in the HDS, the next step involves performing the Sol-V activation for the rocker arm oil control solenoid B. This activation tests the solenoid's operation by mimicking the conditions under which it would normally operate. Following the activation, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS interface. If DTC P2653 reappears during this step, it indicates that the issue is persistent, suggesting a deeper problem with either the solenoid or its associated wiring. If no DTCs are shown, this could indicate a transient issue that warrants further investigation into potential connection issues or environmental factors causing intermittent faults. Once DTC P2653 has been confirmed as persistent, the next troubleshooting step is to turn the ignition switch to the lock position, labeled as 0. This ensures safety while working on electrical components. Subsequently, the rocker arm oil control solenoid B 2P connector needs to be disconnected. This connector links the solenoid to the PCM and is pivotal for measuring the electrical signals. Using a multimeter, measure the resistance between terminals number 1 and number 2 of the connector. This resistance should ideally fall within the range of 13.9 to 16.9 ohms at room temperature. A reading outside this range could indicate a problem with the solenoid itself, necessitating replacement or further examination. If the resistance reading from the rocker arm oil control solenoid B is within the expected range, the next step involves jumping the SCS line using the HDS. This process allows for additional testing of the system while bypassing the regular inputs. Following this, disconnect the PCM connector B, which encompasses various terminals crucial for communication between the solenoid and the engine management system. The technician must then check for continuity between terminal B39 of the PCM connector and a reliable body ground point. Establishing a solid ground connection ensures that the electrical systems communicate effectively, as poor or missing grounds can lead to erroneous readings and affect system performance. If continuity is absent, tracing the ground circuit is necessary to identify shorts or breaks. After completing all necessary repairs, it is vital to verify the success of these repairs using the Honda Diagnostics system. This step involves rescanning the vehicle for any present DTCs to ensure that none have re-emerged, particularly DTC P2653. Moreover, monitor the engine performance during a test drive, observing for any abnormalities that may persist. This verification process is crucial, as it confirms that all systems are functioning correctly and that the underlying problem has been resolved. If any additional codes appear, further diagnostics may be required to address additional concerns. Successful verification ultimately prevents the recurrence of engine problems down the road. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the rocker arm oil control solenoid and the overall engine performance. Regular inspection of electrical connections can help prevent issues associated with corrosion or wear and tear that can lead to intermittent faults. Utilizing original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts for any replacements guarantees compatibility and performance equivalent to the original component. Additionally, monitoring engine oil levels is essential, as low oil can lead to poor solenoid operation and subsequently affect the variable valve timing system. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule that includes these practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC P2653 in the future and help in maintaining optimal engine efficiency. In conclusion, DTC P2653 indicates a low voltage condition affecting the rocker arm oil control solenoid B, which directly impacts the engine's variable valve timing system. This issue can significantly affect overall vehicle performance, leading to symptoms such as reduced power and increased emissions. The troubleshooting process requires systematic diagnostics, including resistance checks, continuity tests, and examining electrical connections to pinpoint the root cause. Successful identification and repair can restore engine performance and efficiency, thereby enhancing the driving experience. Preventive maintenance practices further contribute to mitigating future occurrences of this trouble code, ensuring the vehicle operates reliably over time. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!